Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to ANI Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lesson number 37 and SW number 28. My dear student, today's topic's name exercise 5.1. From 5.1 we shall solve question number 1, 2 and 3. Dear student, please open your math book. Open your math book, and today we shall solve chapter 5, algebraic fraction. Algebraic fraction. From algebraic fraction exercise 5.1 we shall solve 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So question number 1 is express the following fraction in the lowest form. My dear student, please notice here I have already written these two questions. Question number f and a's of 1. We want to convert this fraction into lowest term. So how can? So we shall solve first number 1 and f. The fractions is x square minus 7x plus 12, x square minus 9x plus 20. So dear student, please notice here x square minus 7x plus 12, here x square minus 9x plus 20. At first we convert the numerator and denominator as the factors. These expressions are given. We want to convert this numerator and denominators into factors. Okay, how can x square minus 7x plus 12? That means we know in this type of expression we use middle term method to make it factors. Okay, so x square. So first of all we multiply x square with 12 and we get 12x square. After that we break this minus 7x in such a way that their addition will be 7x and their multiplication will be 12x squared. So if I write minus 3x minus 4x, then we get minus 7x. On the other hand, if we multiply 3x with minus 4x, then we get minus minus plus, and 3 4s are 12x squared. So we take minus 3x and minus 4x to break minus 7x. So please write minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Okay, next notice x square, 20 multiply x square, then we get 20x square. We break minus 9x in such a way that addition will be 9x and their multiplication will be 20x squared. So minus 5x and 4x. If we add these two numbers, then we get 9, and if we multiply, then we get 20x square. So we write 20 here. Then from this first two expression of numerator we take x common and left x minus 4, and from these two expression we take 3 common and left x minus 4, and from these two expression x common left x minus 5, then we take minus 4 common and left here x. If we divide 20 by 4, then we get minus 5. So here minus, for this reason in bracket the sign will be minus. Okay, now please notice from this whole expression of numerator x minus 4 is common. Okay, and left x minus 3. Similar way x minus 5 common and left x minus 4. Now my dear student, we convert this expression into factors and this expression into factors. Now we notice if there are any number which is cut or not. So here x minus 4, here x minus 4. So these two numbers are cut. Okay, x minus 3 and x minus 5. This is the lowest form. That means we can't make it lowest form of this expression. It is the lowest form. So x minus 3 divided by x minus 5 is the lowest form of this given expression. I hope you have understood. This is the answer. Okay, so f number done. Next we shall solve a's number math. Here a's number math is a square minus b square minus 2bc minus c square, and as a denominator a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. My dear student, please notice a square here minus b square minus 2bc minus c square. So if we take minus common, then we get b square plus 2bc plus c square, and here you notice a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay, minus c square. This is a formula and this is also formula. So a whole square, and this is the formula of b plus c whole square. So we write b plus c whole square, and here this is the formula of a plus b whole square, and here c whole square. Dear student, notice this is a square and this is b square. So a square minus b square formula is applicable here. So we write a plus b plus c and a minus b minus c. So here a plus b plus c and a plus b minus c. Now my dear student, we notice if there are any number which are cut or not. A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So both numbers are cut, and left a minus b minus c and a plus b minus c. So they are left a minus b minus c and a plus b minus c. I hope you have understood these two math, and as our solution is done, we must write answer. Okay, my dear student, number 1 is done, and from number 1 you shall do HW, E number and G number. I repeat, from on you shall do HW, E number and G number. Okay, so at first you write the fraction, after that you convert that fraction into lowest term. Okay, and number 2, one problem is given, which is number F, and the question of this number is express the following fractions in the form of a common denominator. Dear student, please notice 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6, 1 by x square minus 7x plus 12, 1 by x square minus 9x plus 20. Dear student, please notice all the denominators are different, but the question asks you to make it common denominator. That means all denominator will be same, right? Okay, all denominator will be same. So in order to make common denominator of the fraction, so at first you need to convert this expression into factors. After that you find the LCM of the denominators, then you divide that LCM by denominator of the first fraction and we get a result, and that result is multiplied with numerator and denominator. This will be happen for each case, and finally we get the fractions whose denominators will be same. I hope you have understood. Now we shall solve and you can easily understand. Okay, 2F number. The given fractions are 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6, 1 by x square minus 7x plus 12, and 1 by x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, so here we write here x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to what? We convert this into common, we convert this into factors. So how can x square minus 5x plus 6? So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. That means we use here middle term break method. So here 6 and x square, if we multiply then we get 6 square. Now we break minus 5x in such a way that their addition will be minus 5x and their multiplication will be 6x square. So if you add these two numbers then you get minus 5x, and if we multiply these two numbers then you get 6x square. I hope you have understood. Now from these two numbers, x is common and left x minus 3. Common means we divide both number by x. If we divide x square by x, then we get x. If we divide 3x by x, then we get 3, and this minus is here. Okay, minus 2 common, and here left x minus 3, and here x minus 3 left, and sorry, x minus 3 common and left x minus 2, right? So the this is done. And next one is x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Okay, we break this minus 7x into middle term method back. That means if we add minus 4x minus 3x, then we get minus 7x. If we multiply, then we get 12x square. So x common and left x minus 4. Here 3 common and left x minus 4. So from this whole expression, x minus 4 common and left x minus 3. Okay. Now my dear students, and our last term, is x square minus 9x plus 20. So similar way we break this in middle term method, minus 5x minus 4x. 5x, 4x, 9x, if we multiply then we get plus 20x square. Okay, then from this we take x common and left x minus 5. From this we take 4 common and left x minus 5. And x minus 5 common, and here x minus 4 left. So my dear student, these are the factors of the denominators. Now we write the fraction in way. Now 1 by x minus 2 x minus 3, 1 by x minus 3 x minus 4, then and 1 by x minus 4 x minus 5. Dear student, we write this fraction in this way. Now we find out the LCM of the denominators. Here denominator is x minus 2 x minus 3, x minus 3 x minus 4, x minus 4 x minus 5. So right here LCM of the denominators is x minus 2 then x minus 3 then x minus 4 then x minus 5. These 4 factors are the LCM of the denominators: x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Now my dear student, LCM done. Now we divide this LCM by denominator of the fraction and we get result. After that result is multiplied both numerator and denominator and we get the final result. So I erase this to solve the other part of this math. Okay, please notice x minus 2, x minus 3, now x minus 4, x minus 5 divided by x minus 2 and x minus 3. If we divide this LCM by x minus 2, x minus 3 and we get this x minus 2, x minus 3 cut and left x minus 4 and x minus 5. So we write x minus 4 and x minus 5, and this number is multiplied by numerators and denominators. So now therefore 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So we multiply x minus 4 and x minus 5, and here x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. I hope you have understood. Next on, we divide x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 divided by denominator of the second fraction, that means x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 4, and left x minus 3, x minus 3 cut, x minus 4, x minus 4 cut, left x minus 2 and x minus 5. Now we write the second fraction on by x minus 3, x minus 4. So now we multiply numerator and denominator by this number. So x minus 2, x minus 5, and here x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, and x minus 5. Okay, and last, and at least we divide this LCM by denominator of the third fraction by x minus 4, x minus 5, and we get x minus 2, x minus 3, and this x minus 2 into x minus 3 is multiplied by numerator and denominator of this fraction. Okay, and I erase this to solve the last part of this math. 1 by x minus 4, x minus 5, then multiply, and we get x minus 2, x minus 3, and here x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, and x minus 5. Now my dear student, please notice this denominator is this denominator and this denominator, all the denominators are same. So we have already converted this and this fraction into fractions with common denominators. I hope you have understood. Now you can write answer. Okay, so write answer x minus 4, x minus 5. Here x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Then second one, x minus 2, x minus 5. Here we write x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. And last one, x minus 2, x minus 3. And here I write x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Okay, I hope you have understood how to solve this math, and all the problems are in same method. I hope you have understood. I repeat this process again. At first you find out the LCM of the denominators, then you divide that LCM by denominator of the first fraction. After that you get a result. That result is multiplied both numerator and denominator. You do this process for each fraction, and finally we get the fraction with common denominators, right? Okay, so this one is also done. We shall solve question number 3. Dear student, 3 is find the sum. Here two problems are given, f and s, f and s. Okay, we shall solve these two problems. Okay, two problem is 3 number. First, f number 1 by a square minus b square plus 1 by a square plus ab plus b square plus 1 by a square minus ab plus b square. Now my dear student, we do addition, that means we do add. So first of all we convert the denominator into factors, that is a plus b into a minus b. Then this is written as a square plus ab plus b square, and this is written as 1 by a square minus ab plus b square. So now we take LCM. A plus b into a minus b, this one a square plus ab plus b square and a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, we know how to get LCM, common term and uncommon term also. Here there is no common term, so all the number will be the LCM. Now we divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction. So if we divide this number by a plus b and a minus b, then we get a square plus ab plus b square into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, I write this a square plus ab plus b square, here a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, then we divide, this plus sign is here. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the second fraction, and we get a plus b into a minus b and this number. So we write a plus b into a minus b, and here a square minus ab plus b square. Same process for third fraction, this plus sign is here. After that we divide the LCM by the denominator of the third fraction, and we get a plus b into a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now we write this a plus b into a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now we do multiplication and we do multiplication. Okay dear student, please notice a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. On the other hand, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube, right? Now we do addition of this number, that means a square by this number, ab by this number and b square by this number. So a square, then it will be a to the power 4, then minus a cube b, a square by b square, then it will be a square b square, right? Then ab by this number, so we get a cube b, after that minus a square b square, then ab is multiplied with b, then ab cube. Okay, then we multiply b square by this number, that means a square b square minus ab cube plus b to the power 4, right? And last, you notice a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we can write this as the formula of a cube plus b cube. Okay, then same way a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Okay, now my dear student, we do cut a cube b, a cube b, these are cut. And notice a square b square, a square b square, these are also, sorry, a square b square, yes, these are also cut. And here you notice ab cube and ab cube, they are cut. And here you left a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4. Now we multiply this number by a and we get a to the power 4 and plus ab cube. Then b is multiplied this number, that means minus a cube b, and finally b to the power 4. Then we multiply this number by a plus b and we get a to the power 4 minus ab cube, then plus a cube b minus b to the power 4, and here we write a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Now my dear student, please notice b to the power 4, b to the plus and minus both are cut, and ab cube, so these are this cut, minus a cube b plus a cube b, this cut and this cut, and left a to the power 4, a to the power 4, a to the power 4, so 3a to the power 4. Okay, then a square b square, a square b square, and left minus b to the power 4, minus b to the power 4. This is written here a cube b cube, a cube minus b cube. So my dear student, this is the solution of this math. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next we shall solve question number 8. Next we shall solve question number 8 and last math of this lecture. Here is number question is 1 by x square minus 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 minus 1 plus 4 by x to the power 8 minus 1. So my dear student, 1 by x square minus 1 is written. After that we write this as x square whole square minus 1 square, and here we write 4x to the power 8 minus 1. Now 1 by x square minus 1, and this is written as x square plus 1, x square minus 1. Okay, and we write this 4 by x to the power 8 minus 1. Now we do addition of these two fraction. Okay, x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. My dear student, if we divide the denominator of the first fraction of this LCM, then we get x square plus 1. That one is multiplied with 1 and we get x square plus 1. And this plus sign is here. Why? Because we divide this LCM by this denominator of the second fraction and we get 1. That one is multiplied with 1 and we get 1. So 4 by, and this is written as x to the power 4 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now x square and 1 plus 1, that means 2, and it is written as x to the power 4 minus 1, and 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1, x to the power 4 minus 1. So a square minus b square formula. Okay, now we do addition of these two fractions again, and the denominator of the fractions are x to the power 4 minus 1 and x to the power 4 plus 1, x to the power 4 minus 1, and its LCM is x to the power 4 plus 1 and x to the power 4 minus 1. Now we do division, and if we divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction, we get x square, x to the power 4 plus 1. So we multiply that number, x to the power 4 plus 1, and we divide this LCM by denominator of the second fraction and we get 1. That one is multiplied with 4, and 4 ones are 4. Okay, now we do multiplication. X square, x to the power 4, that means x to the power 6, plus x square multiply 1, then x square. 2 is multiplied with x to the power 4, then 2x to the power 4. 2 1 plus 2 ones are 2, and this plus 4 is written here. After that we write x to the power 4 plus 1 and x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, my dear student, and our last part of this math. Okay, so please notice x to the power 6, write x to the power 6 first, then 2x to the power 4, 2x to the power 4, then x square, then 2 plus 4, that means 6. So x to the power 4 plus 1 and x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, so we write this as x to the power 6 plus 2x to the power 4 plus x square plus 6, and it is written as x to the power 8 minus 1, and this is the answer of this question. So my dear student, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture, and you must do SW from 1 EG, from 2 DE, and from 3 EG. So you must solve this problem as your SW, and you must submit your SW in every Saturday in our school campus within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.